sweet spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
The National Association of Public Secondary School of the Philippines. As leaders in education, we carry the crucial responsibility of shaping the future of the Filipino youth through our unwavering commitment to excellence. We have to inspire, guide, and empower our teachers to lead with vision and purpose, instilling in them the deeper commitment and dedication that fuels our mission.
The National Association of Public Secondary Schools of the Philippines Incorporated in hosting the 10th kasampunan, the 10th NASPhil Principals Congress. Ako po mismo ay nagpupugay sa inyo, NASPhil, for organizing this National Assembly and bringing together school heads from diverse backgrounds and situations. Ang pagkakaalam po ko, ito yung pinakamalaking gathering or assembly. Carry yourself in such a way that when people are sitting, you are standing. When they are standing, you will stand out. When they stand out, you will be outstanding. Kasama po natin i-celebrate itong NASPhil achievement today. But let it also serve as a catalyst for the transformative change that lies ahead.
Principals have to make decisions, and sometimes those decisions are required to be, or most oftentimes those decisions are required to be based on law. All the things that you act in school are based on the education laws that we have. Okay? Mahirap naman na ang desisyon natin ay hindi nababase sa batas.
Special Award of Most Outstanding Inspiring Secondary School Principal for Indigenous Learners Award goes to Dr. Jocelyn Garbosa.
The most outstanding inspiring secondary school principals of the Philippines for Eco Farm School Environmental Award goes to Sir Ray Aliman.
The most outstanding, inspiring secondary school principal of the Philippines 2024 is no other than Gregorio I. Raceles.
educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Thank you so much. God bless us all. This is your Sir Greg Iro Service mula sa Paaralan Sekundarya ng General Nakar na Lalawigan ng Quezon.